In this video, we are going to talk about connecting a low-profile KitchenAid microwave using the KitchenAid app. Before we try the connection process, please make sure that your router supports the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as this product is not compatible with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You will also need to download the KitchenAid app on your phone and then create an account in it. You can use any smart mobile device like iPhone, iPads, or any Android phones or tablets to install the KitchenAid app. Along with this, you will also require to have access to the correct Wi-Fi credentials, including the correct Wi-Fi password for the microwave to establish a connection with your Wi-Fi network. Once these are available, we are now ready to start the connection process. For this video purpose, I have the microwave and the app set up ready to demonstrate the connection process. Now let's begin the connection steps. Please note, before we try the connection steps through the app, you have to ensure that your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If not, this is the best time to go back to your phone Wi-Fi settings and change it to the correct network. So let's open the app. So I'm now logged into the KitchenAid app. Since we are going to add an appliance, let's tap on the plus option to add a device. Tap on Start Adding Appliance. Select the option Microwave. Select the first image. Now we are in the steps to enable Bluetooth on the appliance. The first step is to power on the appliance and tap on Settings. The appliance power is already turned on, so let's tap on the Settings option. Go back to the app and swipe left. The next step is to navigate to Connectivity and then tap on the Select option. So let's do that. Use the right arrow to go to the Connectivity option and then tap on the Select option. Now go back to the app. Swipe left. The next instruction is to tap on the Select option again. So let's do that. Now we see a QR code on the appliance display. Again, go back to the app and tap on Find My Appliance. The app will be now searching for the appliance and should locate it in a few moments. Here we have the microwave. Tap on Connect. Now we are in the Bluetooth pairing step. The app will be producing a 6-digit pairing number on the app screen and also on the appliance display. Tap on Pair, tap on the checkbox, tap on Connect, and then tap on the Select option to finish pairing. Now we are on the Wi-Fi credentials screen where you should be able to see your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure it is your 2.4 network, otherwise go to the phone Wi-Fi settings and change it to the correct network. You will also need to enter your correct Wi-Fi password. Please note the password is case sensitive. After making sure that the Wi-Fi credentials are correct, you have to tap on the next option. By this, we have done most of the steps to get the appliance online, and in approximately 2 minutes the app will be connecting your appliance to the home Wi-Fi network and to the KitchenAid app account. So the connection process is now complete, and in the app we have the option to name the appliance. I'm going to call it Fast Cook and then tap on Done. And on the appliance display, you can just tap on the Cancel option to go back to the clock screen. In the app, we see that the microwave is online. So by this, we have completed the steps to connect the appliance to Wi-Fi and to the KitchenAid app. Now let's see how you can start a cycle from the app. For that, select the appliance image in the app, and then you can select the cycle by tapping on the Please Select option. There are a couple of cycles available. I'm going to select the option Melt. You can keep a cook time. I'm going to keep it 30 seconds. Tap on OK. And then we can tap on the Start option. We see that the cycle is now started on the microwave. We do have an option in the app to edit the cook time, turn on the fan or the light based on your preference. Now let's cancel the cycle. The cycle is now cancelled. By this we have come to the end of this video, where we have shown you the steps to get your appliance online, and also we have demonstrated how you can start a simple cycle from the app. Along with this, by getting your appliance online, you have access to various smart features like real-time notifications, voice control using Alexa and Google Home, and also access to software updates. If you have any questions or concerns getting your appliance online or on any smart features, you can reach out to us directly at 866-333-4591. Thank you.